the best time for seniors to take a bath for better sleep and health. Ethel here. Join me guys up until end and let's all find the
When is the best time to take a bath?
Did you know that the time you take a bath can actually affect your sleep, joint health, and even your blood pressure, especially for seniors? In today's video, we're diving into the best time for older adults to take a bath for maximum health benefits. Whether you're looking to ease muscle pain, feel more energized, or get a good night's sleep, this one's for you. Stay tuned because the right timing might just change your daily routine for the better.
Best time to take a bath for seniors. Morning bath benefits. The top 1 morning bath benefit. Boosts circulation and gently wakes up the body. The top 2 morning bath benefit. Relieves stiffness and joint pain, especially with warm water. The top 3 morning bath benefit. Encourages a fresh start to the day and better hygiene. The top 4 morning bath benefit. Helps regulate blood pressure and energy levels. Evening bath benefits. The top 1 evening bath benefit. Promotes better sleep by lowering core body temperature. The top 2 evening bath benefit. Soothes tired muscles and helps with arthritis pain relief. The top 3 evening bath benefit. Removes sweat, dirt, and bacteria before bed. The top 4 evening bath benefit. Creates a relaxing routine that can reduce stress and anxiety.
Now that we've set the stage, let's explore the key benefits of bathing at different times of the day. Morning versus evening. We'll break it down so we can decide what works best for your health, your comfort, and your daily routine as a senior. Let's get into it. taking care of your body, it doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's as simple as choosing the right time to take a bath. Whether you're aiming for better sleep, more energy, or less joint pain, timing can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more simple wellness tips for healthy aging. Thanks for watching and stay well always. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel here is signing off.